Today's how-to video is going to be removing your foot peg brackets, as we installed a solo seat and no longer have a back seat, so we do not need these anymore. They just look tacky. Depending if your bolt has been changed or not in the year of your bike, this is a 3/4. You will want to loosen it. Make sure you have a buddy hold your bike steady. Once you get this bolt off, you will need to remove this cover because they are a bracket inside that pretty well holds this on. In order to get to that bracket, you will need to loosen one Allen head, two Allen heads, and your shift fork. Forget, once you remove this, you have one more cover bolt, and it's down here. Don't forget about that bolt. Now once you get all your bolts out, your cover will just come off nice and easy. You can come over here and loosen this bolt, which is a 10mm. Now once you get that bolt, you can just pull this right off. Now that is how you remove the Xv250s with a foot peg. Now let's go on to the more complicated side. So on this side of the bike, you will have your exhaust mounted here. If you're getting rid of this foot peg, you will have to do something with your exhaust mount. I have custom made homemade exhausts. They are a video on this on my channel. On the playlist of this motorcycle, just go to little V if you want to watch that. Now, on your foot pegs, and if you don't want to lose this bracket, you can just cut this, but you still got this. So now we need to remove this one 10mm bolt, and once you get that 10mm bolt done, you will want to take your swing arm bolt out. Now this swing arm will drop down. Now be sure to get you a bike stand or a buddy. If you're doing it this way, make sure you got a buddy to help hold the bike. And there's a little plate underneath here that you want to jack this jack on. You do not want to jack your engine up. You could crack your case. As you can see, the bike is pretty well getting lifted off the ground with the help of Bossy holding the bike steady and balanced. I'm going to pull this swing arm bolt out. Just like so. And that is the wheel foot peg removed. What I have here is actual wheel washers. For like Krager rims and stuff like that. You can pick them up usually on eBay or at your local pot store if you're lucky. You can use two of these on each side of your swing arm bolt. With the help of your buddy, you can restart your swing arm. It might be a little bit of a pain. It does got a little pivot band. Make sure they stay in it and line them back up. just like so. Next, you want to install your cover. Once you get your cover back on, you can reinstall your shift lever. And be sure to adjust it where your boot fits under it and it is comfortable to you, because the position of this, depending where you put it, affects this. Now you can reinstall your chain guard if you want one. I got mine off at the moment. I don't know if I will install it again or not. I most likely will. So that completes this video. I will install my chain guard for now. I can take it back off if I want to paint it. But all in all, I'm happy the way the bike turned out with the foot pegs removed. It helps the whole look of this bike a whole lot better. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, drop me a like and drop a comment. Also, if it's your first time watching and coming across my videos, you can check my playlist out on my channel of this bike, installing the solo seat and everything. Those videos of it all. And if you don't care, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. Until the next video, I see you then. Take care and have a nice day.